Are you tired of spending time manually assigning leads to your team? What if you could automate the entire process and focus on growing your business instead? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop micromanaging and automatically assign leads to your team in GoHighLevel. Let's dive right in. First, log into your GoHighLevel account. On the left-hand menu, click on Automation. This is where the magic happens, where we'll set up workflows to automatically assign leads to your team. Click on Create Workflow and choose a blank template. Give it a name like Lead Assignment, so it's easy to find later. Now, we'll configure the triggers to activate this automation. Next, set a trigger. This can be something like a new lead entering the system or a form submission. This is the moment that kicks off the entire process of automatically assigning leads. Here's where the magic happens. Click on plus Add New Action and select Assign to User. You can assign leads to specific team members using methods like round robin or based on availability, whichever fits your team's structure best. And that's it. Want to take your lead management to the next level and automate your processes effortlessly? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and get started quickly by scheduling your kickoff call for expert guidance. Check out the links in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and share it with your team. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.